Mate, how's the new D-Max going?
Mate, loving the new D-Max, can't kill it.
Matey, you little beast, you! You absolute beast!
There's no doubt about it, when we get out in the bush, we get a lot of crap in our car.
Let's face it, we get out and we go winching and drag mud in there and you lay on the ground under the truck and there's some more dirt and sand and we don't, you know, from one bog to the next. The only time we have a shower when we're in a bog and have a quick tub.
Woo!
Let's face it, I ain't the cleanest guy around.
Yeah, I'd have to vouch for that one. But anyway, look, if you didn't put seat covers on those seats, they'd be trashed.
You need rocks in your head, the seats would be destroyed.
Oh, they're leather seats in your car too.
It's flash, this truck's flash inside.
Look, that's why we put SupaFit seat covers on all our seats.
On all our trucks, and I've even found when you jump in there wet, not just muddy but wet, it doesn't go through the seat covers.
Perfect, mate. Let's have a look at how good your seats are underneath these seat covers.
Let's lift the seat cover and
because I have just done how many 10, 15,000 kilometres in some of the dustiest, muddiest and dirtiest bloody tracks in the top end of Australia. Check this out, mate.
Breaker open. Oh, look at that. Seriously.
That is brand new.
Look, nothing's even come through the seat cover, like I said. You go to sell this truck, someone will go, has anyone even sat in that seat?
Yeah, I know. These cars absolutely copper flogging in the mud, the sand, the dust. They're all a killer on these seats.
Yeah. And they're a comfy seat cover.